وَالَّذِي خَلَقَ لَكُم مَا فِي الْأَرْضِ جَمِيعًا. He is the one who make for you, all of you, whatever is in the earth. Jamia, all of this. So the basics in the earth is directly creation by Allah. Directly created by Allah, like mountains, the soil, the minerals in the soil, the rivers, the tree, the ocean. These are the initially created by Allah by Himself. The other things are indirectly creation. Like we make buildings or we make some other things with your man-made things. But actually those things are also made by Allah indirectly. Because Allah make the man and man make those things. So it's also made by Allah. Like honeybee. Allah make honeybee. Honeybee make honey for us. But it's actually made by Allah through honeybee. Then there are things directly created by Allah. There are the things Allah is creating through another creation. So when we see the robot, we say, oh, what intelligent man who make this robot. And they forget to praise about God who made that human being who made this robot. Everything is created by Allah. That's why in the beginning of the Quran, alhamdulillah, all praises for Allah. So Allah said that He is the one who make everything for you on the earth. So whatever we have in the earth is all made by Allah.